everyone, and welcome to my channel of Learn English and Luganda with Kamlegea Ben. If you're looking forward to learning Luganda and English, I got you covered. So what are you waiting for? Click the notification icon so that you don't miss out any of my videos. That is, subscribe, like, share. Meet up.
Hello everyone and welcome to Tubaniriza mu video eno. Remember, in the last video we were looking at collective nouns. Collective nouns. And we said a collective noun is a naming word used to refer to many objects, people or things. Erinnya erimu erikozesebwa mu kwogera ku bantu, ebintu, ebingi. Okay, so let's proceed. Collective noun for ships is what we call a fleet. A collective noun for ships is what we call a fleet. Ships in Luganda is a meri. Ships, emmeri zikozesebwa mu kusaabala ku mazzi. So erinnya ly'emmeri ennyingi mu Luzungu baliyita fleet. Fleet, hope you note the spelling. So a collective noun for ships is what we call a fleet with double E. Collective noun for birds is flock. Collective noun for birds is flock. Ebinyonyi nga bingi mu Luzungu tubiyita flock. Ebinyonyi nga bingi tubiyita flock. So that is the one word given to collection of birds. So it is what we call a flock in English. So once you come across this word in a story, it means ebinyonyi nga bingi, because birds, ebinyonyi. So ebinyonyi nga bingi is what we call flock. Flock. Collective noun for lions is pride. Collective noun for lions is pride. Empologoma nga nyingi bazita pride in English. This is one word given to many lions. So a collection of lions is what we call pride. And one word which is a collective noun for lions is what we call pride. Empologoma nga nyingi mu Luzungu tuliyita pride. A collective noun for wolves is what we call pack. Collective noun for wolves is a pack. Collective noun for wolves is a pack. Wolves in Luganda is ebibe. So ebibe nga bingi mu Luzungu tubiyita pack. This is one word given to many wolves. Ebibe nga bingi tubiyita pack in English. Collective noun for ants is what you call colony. A collective noun for ants is what we call colony. Let's proceed. So we are going to look at collective nouns for people. We have been in collective nouns for animals. Now we are going in collective noun for people. Tugenda kutunuulira abantu tubayita tutya nga bali mu bungi, okugeza bannakatemba, abajaasi n'abayimbi. Okay, let's start. A collective noun for actors is what we call a troupe or cast. A collective noun for actors is what we call a troupe or cast. Abazannyi nga bangi tubalita troupe oba cast in English. A collective noun for soldiers is what we call army. A collective noun for soldiers is what we call army. So many soldiers form an army. Abajaasi nga bangi babayita amaje. Amaje in English is what we call an army oba army. So abajaasi nga bangi, soldiers, abajaasi baba bangi tubayita ejje. Ejje in Luganda is army. A collective noun for musicians is what we call a band. A collective noun for musicians is what we call a band. Abayimbi nga bangi tubayita band. Erinnya litukozesa erimu okulifaringa tu abayimbi abangi tuyita band. B-A-N-D. Hope you can note the spelling. So collective noun for musicians is what we call a band. Okay, I think you've learned something. That is it in this video.